That's what you call progress. Get everything almost cleaned up. All I got to do is sweep this up, and I'll do that with some sawdust later, some sawdust cleaner. Okay, I'll show you that. But I've got to scrape up around the edges of this, and over here still, and in this closet. Okay, but that's not going to really take me that much longer, and we'll be ready for the next step. Now, if you've been watching my videos so far, I've showed you how to remove this carpet here, the carpet pad, the tack strip, cleaning up, scraping the floors. And if you're energetic enough, if you don't want to take too many breaks, you could do this all in one day. Okay, at least with a little help with a friend, let's say, you could do that. And if not, you can do it all yourself, get a nice little workout, or you could split it up in a couple different days and get it all cleaned up and ready for either carpet installation or whatever else you're going to do with this floor. You can install some hardwood laminate flooring, and here in the kitchen they have hardwood laminate flooring. And if you were going to extend, let's say you decided you wanted to do this room, this entire room with laminate flooring, what would you do? Well, you'd have to decide whether or not you want to leave this little tile floor in here. This floor is probably 35 years old, and if you don't like the looks of it, you can take that out. You can put your laminate flooring right there. And then what would you do over here? Well, my suggestion would be rip this floor up in the kitchen. Okay, it's not real hard to do. It's a free floating floor. Yeah, there's some trim around the edges. Here's some trim. There's some quarter round trim that they installed to cover up the edges. Okay, you'd have to take out the refrigerator, take that bottom trim off, and this existing floor, see, this existing floor had quarter round trim right there. Quarter round meaning a quarter of a 100% round area. They chopped it in 4, and that's called quarter trim, and then they pushed it up against the floor like that. See, they had that on there because they initially only had a tile floor here, so they did that. The carpet installers, they decided, hey, let's just leave it. The carpet installers could have decided to take that out, you see, but then the carpet, you have to make sure the carpet pad and the carpet is going to be up higher than that edge, because you don't want that edge to show. Okay, so you just have to look at your flooring and make a decision what all you're going to have to do. But you could put laminate flooring in here. That would look pretty nice, actually. You could go from left to right of this room, just the same direction as they have in the kitchen. You could take the stuff out in the kitchen, and you could stop it right here. This is a pocket door. You could stop it here, or you could run it all the way down this hallway if you wanted. You could tie it in nicely with a little piece of trim here between that and the tile floor in the bathroom. You could also extend your laminate flooring in your bedroom if you wanted. And in your closet, if you decided, let's just leave the carpet, you could have cut the carpet there. And you would have had to put a piece of trim between that and the new laminate flooring. Or, in our case, we took the carpet out. You could put laminate flooring in here too if you wanted. We're not going to do that though. We're going to do something different. If you've been watching the videos, you'll be learning step by step all about how to do the things that Joe does. And just remember, I'm just an average Joe. So if I can do it, of course you can do it too. I'm not going to show you anything on my channel that I don't think you can't do. All right?